beneath a rug. Jones is now facing more than 30 different charges, including rape.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
We are just a couple of days away from a new year, and I know a lot of people are already starting to make plans.
Do you have any sort of traditions for New Year?
I do. I make cabbage rolls.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just talking about that tonight. I'll probably do the black eyed peas thing.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Now I'm hungry.
Mm-hmm.
It's great, though. I mean, I love the tradition part. That's what I love most about the holidays.
And so I hope you all have a good 2024. 2023's on the mend. Or wait, no, it's not. That's a long expression. There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what way to end the year? If Dayton dropped anything, we could drop a killer brownie. We could drop a gym because it's the gym city. Or we could do something cool, too, and have a Wright Flyer land. Come on, Dayton, let's do something. Regardless, right at midnight, it'll be about 34 degrees. So a little bit colder than last year's forecast, but we're not looking at a great chance for rain. So if you have plans, you're looking all right. Even though it's going to be a little chilly, if you actually look at December, at least up to this date, from December 1st to, actually yesterday, December 27th, and compare that all the way back to 1935, so far, this is the second warmest on record, looking at the average mean temperature, about 42.28 degrees. So that's the high and the low each day added together, averaged. It's been a warm December. We can take it one step further, too. If we take every day from January 1st to December 27th for this year compared to every other year going back to 1935, right now, we are on par to potentially experiencing the warmest year on record in Dayton. This is the only place you'll get this because Storm Center 7 has the only degree climatologist on staff. Actually, 2 people with climatology degrees. And we take a look at the clouds and the rainfall. You're looking at, well, the rain from this morning, it kind of fizzled out as it got close to the Miami Valley. You can see it coming from the south, and then we barely got anything. A lot of the rain was up to the north as well. We take a look at the radar now, a little bit of a different story. You see off to the west, a little bit more blue. Now the temperatures are dropping, and as it slowly, barely makes its way across the state line, it's starting to fizzle out. So you might be seeing a stray flurry or two, say, up in Darke County or Mercer County, but we're not expecting that much coverage. A lot of that moisture is staying off to the west, and that the moisture that does make it close does seem to kind of fizzle out a little bit. So with that in mind, expect an isolated instance of some snow flurries, perhaps a little bit of a wintry mix. You can see that illustrated here in the Futurecast. All that moisture, a lot of it stays out to the west. You do see some little blue spots here across the Miami Valley, and then continuing into Friday morning. By the afternoon, likely warming up enough to see more rainfall. Then we're looking at this to come through. Now, I think there's a little bit better chance of this being more rain than snow, but I still expect a little bit of a wintry mix here Friday night, which could create a few slick spots. So keep that in mind. Storm Center 7-day forecast shows a cooler, drier start to the new year. Coldest day right now, Monday, with a high of 36 degrees.
Thank you, Robert. As we get deeper into winter, the cold temperature